Welcome dear students. Today we will talk about mathematics of class 9th chapter 2nd polynomial, and now we are going to do exercise 2.2. So let's see without wasting time what is this question number 1 of this exercise. So see, this question number 1 says that find the value of polynomial 5x minus 4x square plus 3 at x equal to 0, x equal to 1, x equal to 2. Means here we have to find the value of this polynomial. So let's see how we will calculate the value of polynomial at a given particular time. And see, if this point, if value of polynomial will become 0, then we can say that this point is the 0 of polynomial. So these are the things which are given first, second, third. These are the point. And if at this point this value of polynomial becomes 0, then this will become the 0 of polynomial. So let's see how we will find the value. See, the polynomial px is given as solution. Polynomial px is given as 5x minus 4x square plus 3. Okay, this is the polynomial. So यहाँ पर x equal to 0 पर वैल्यू निकालना है. Means we need to find p0. In the question number first we need to find p0. So put the 0 whenever we are having x. मतलब सारे x के प्लेस पर हमें क्या रखना है? 0 रखना है. So let's see, 5 into 0 minus 4 into 0 to the square plus 3. So finally this will become 0 minus 0 plus 3, and this will become 3. So 0 at x equal to 0, value of polynomial is 3. So let's come up to the value of polynomial at x equal to 1. This is second question. Okay, so let's see how we will. So put the value, put x equal to 1. Put x equal to 1. So this is 5 into x equal to minus 1. Okay, minus 4 into minus 1 to the square and plus 3. Okay, so what it happened? 5 1 ja 5 minus 5 minus 5. Okay, and here 4 into this 1 1 ja 1, minus 1 into minus 1, it will become plus 1. So it will be minus 4 and plus 3. So finally this minus 4 and minus 5 will become minus 9. So it will become minus 9 plus 3, and it will become minus 6. So at this point x equal to minus 1, the value of this polynomial is minus 6. Similarly, we can calculate the value of polynomial at x equal to 2, and this question you will do. Okay, so question number 1, there are 3 questions. 2 I have done for you, 1 you will do for me. Okay, so let's see the question number 2. See this question number 2. Find p0 means value of polynomial at x equal to 0. p1 means value of polynomial at x equal to 1. Okay, and p2 means value of polynomial at x equal to 2 for each of the following. And here are 4 questions are there, but I will do only 1 and 2. There are 2 questions I will do for you, and rest all question you will do. Okay, so let's see this question number 1. For this question number second ka question number 1 part. See p0. So put whenever the y equal to 0. So what it happened? 0 to the square minus 0 plus 1. Finally this 0 minus 0 cancel, खत्म, और ये क्या हो गया? 1. Okay, so p0 की वैल्यू क्या आ गई? 1. तो this is for first. Okay, see p1 की अगर बात करें, if we will talk about p1, so what it will happen? See there, p1 to the square minus 1 and plus 1. this y के प्लेस पे हमने रख दिया क्या? 1 and minus 1. Okay, so this minus 1 plus 1 get cancel, and 1 का 1 में स्क्वायर करेंगे तो आएगा 1 ही. ओके, ऐसे ही आइए बात करते हैं p2 की बात करते हैं. तो देखिए p2, यहाँ पर y के प्लेस पे हमें क्या रखना है? व्हाट वी हैव टू पुट हेयर, y के प्लेस पर. तो देखिए y के प्लेस पर हमें लिखना है 2 to the square minus 2 and plus 1. तो फाइनली 2 2 जा 4, and here minus 2 and minus minus 2 plus 1, it will be minus 1. So 4 minus 1, it will be 3. So this is how we will calculate the value of polynomial at x equal to 1, x equal to 0, x equal to 1 and x equal to 2. So see this question number second. I am doing this question for you, and then after we will move to the next question. Okay, let's see this question number second. Question number second part. See, the polynomial pt is given as 2 plus t. This is 2 plus t plus 2t square minus t cube. So talk about p0. Okay, p0 means here we have to put the value of t equal to 0. So see, this is 2 plus 0 plus 2 into 0 to the square minus 0 to the cube. So finally everything will become 0. This is 0, this is 0 into 2, 0 and 0. ये तो पूरा 0 हो गया और बचा क्या 2. ओके, ऐसे आइए बात करते हैं p1 की बात कर लेते हैं. तो p1, सी दिस 2 प्लस यहाँ हो गया क्या 1 प्लस 2 इंटू 1 टू द स्क्वायर माइनस 1 का क्यूब. ओके, सो फाइनली व्हाट इट विल बी, दिस इज 2 प्लस दिस इज 1 एंड दिस इज 2 1 जा 2. 1 का स्क्वायर करेंगे तो 1 ही आएगा और 2 1 जा 2 एंड दिस इज माइनस 1. So this minus 1 plus 1 will get cancelled and 2 plus 2 it will be 4. It will be 4 answer. So let's talk about P2. Okay, what is this P2? So see this 2 plus यहाँ t की जगह क्या रखना है 2 plus 2 into t 2 का स्क्वायर minus 2 का क्यूब. Okay, this is the thing. Now we will solve it. So this is 2, this 2. And this is 2 into 2 2 ja 4 2 ja 8 and this is 2 2 ja 4 2 ja 8. This 8 minus 8 get cancelled, so this will be 4. Means value of polynomial at t equal to 2 it is 4 and t equal to 1 it is also 4 and at a 0 t equal to 0 it will be 2. So okay, hope guys you are understood how we have done this question. Let's come up to the question number third. What is this question number third and how we will solve it? I am erasing this and hope you are understood. Now see this question number third. Question number third says that verify whether the following are zeros of polynomial indicated against them. Here are 8 questions and only 3 questions I will do for you and rest all question you will do. See this question number 1. यहाँ क्वेश्चन में बोला गया है कि एक पॉलिनोमियल दिया है और उसके सामने एक x की वैल्यू दी हुई है. You have to find that this given value is the zero of polynomial or not. So let's see this question number 1. Polynomial px is there 3x plus 1. Okay, and x equal to minus 1 by 3. Okay, let's see. If this is a point, we will find the value of this polynomial at this point. Okay, means we will find p of minus 1 by 3. Means x की वैल्यू क्या रखेंगे 1 by 3 हर जगह रख देंगे. And if the value of polynomial will become 0, then this is the zero of this polynomial. Otherwise it is not a zero of polynomial. So what you have to do, first thing you will do, find the value of this polynomial at this point, putting this value, substituting this value. मतलब इस वैल्यू को इस पॉलिनोमियल में रख कर हम इस पॉलिनोमियल की वैल्यू फाइंड करेंगे एट दिस पॉइंट. और अगर ये पॉलिनोमियल की वैल्यू 0 हो गई तो कहेंगे इट इज़ अ जीरो ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल एंड अगर 0 ना हुई तो कहेंगे इट इज़ नॉट अ जीरो ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल. सो लेट्स सी this is minus 1 by 3. Okay, 3 into minus 1 by 3 and plus 1. So this 3 and 3 get cancelled and finally minus 1 plus 1, so it means 0. So यहाँ लिख देंगे x equal to minus 1 by 3 is a zero of polynomial. Okay, hope you are understood. See this question Question number 7. Question number 7 I am doing for you. This is polynomial is given px, this is equal to 3x square minus 1, and here x की value, two values are given here, minus 1 upon root 3 and 2 upon root 3, 2 upon root 3. तो देखिए यहाँ x की वैल्यू तो यहाँ 2 है ना, तो दो केसेस हम लोगों को सॉल्व करने हैं. तो पहले तो हम लोग यहाँ पे फर्स्ट केस ना, फॉर x इक्वल टू माइनस 1/3, 1/√3. तो लेट्स सी, यहाँ पे पॉलिनॉमियल की वैल्यू माइनस 1/√3 पर निकालते हैं. मतलब जहाँ जहाँ x है, whenever the x is there, put the value minus 1/√3. तो this is 3 into minus 1/√3 का स्क्वायर minus 1. तो फाइनली this is 3 into minus minus plus, and this it will become 3 and minus 1. तो finally 3 and 3 get cancelled. This is 1 minus 1 and it will be 0. So x equal to minus 1/√3 is 0, is a 0. ओके, सो ये एक के लिए तो कंफर्म हुआ. अब आइए बात करते हैं फॉर x इक्वल टू 2/√3, 2/√3. तो here are two values are given. तो देखते हैं कि ये दोनों वैल्यूज ट्रू हैं कि नहीं हैं. तो लेट्स सी दिस पॉलिनॉमियल px, this is 2/√3. okay, see this is 3 into this is 2/√3 keep का square minus 1. okay, so what it will happen, this is 3 and this is 2 2 ja 4 and √3 into √3 it will be 3 and minus 1. so 3 and 3 get cancelled. This is 4 minus 1 and it will be 3. okay, so what is there, it is not 0. so यहाँ लिखेंगे x is equal to 2/√3 is not a 0. तो यहाँ पर हम लोग देख रहे हैं फर्स्ट वन इज 0 एंड सेकेंड वर्ड इज नॉट अ 0. सो होप यू आर अंडरस्टूड. ओके, सो लेट्स डू दिस क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. आई एम डूइंग दिस क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 फॉर यू एंड देन आफ्टर वी विल मूव टू द नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, px this is equal to 2x plus 1. okay, and here x is equal to 1/2, x is equal to 1/2. see this p 1/2. so what it will be here, this is 2 into 1/2 plus 1. so what it will be, 2 से 2 कट गया, this is 1 plus 1 and it will be 2 which is not equal to 0. so यहाँ लिख सकते हैं x is equal to 1/2 is not a 0 of polynomial. okay, so hope you are understood how we have done this question. okay, let's come up to the question number 4. see this question number 4, what is it is asking and how we will solve it. so this question number 4 says that, question number 4, find the zeros of polynomial in each of the following case. we have to find the zero in each of the following. so first question, px is equal to x plus 5, and only 3 question I will tell you. and this is third question, px this is equal to 2x plus 5, and the last one, 7th question, and I am writing this. so let's see this question number 1. so this question number 1 says that px is equal to x plus 5. find the zero of polynomial in each of the following cases. so we have to find the zero. see this, for 0 put px this is equal to 0 and solve. मतलब जब 0 फाइंड करना है तो पॉलिनॉमियल इक्वल टू 0 रख दीजिए एंड उसको सॉल्व करिए फॉर x. तो सी दिस पॉलिनॉमियल px इज इक्वल टू क्या, x plus 5, दिस इज इक्वल टू 0. तो x इक्वल टू क्या हो जाएगा, -5, एंड दिस x इक्वल टू -5 इज अ 0. ओके, लेट्स सी हियर फॉर 0 put px this is equal to 0 means 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. so this 2x is equal to -5, so x is equal to -5/2. okay, answer. let's see this question number 7. polynomial px this is equal to cx plus d. okay, and here are given that this c is not equal to 0 and they are real number. C and D are real number, means C and D belongs to real number, okay. So for 0 put Px is equal to 0, means Cx plus D is equal to 0, means this Cx is equal to minus D, and means x is equal to minus D by C, okay. So this will be the 0 and this will be the 0. So what we have done, for 0 we will put the value of polynomial 0 and we will solve it for the given variable, and certainly we will find the 0. Hope you are very understood about this. Thanks for watching.